Hi everyone! In this video we will be making the color smear cake. To start, fill and base ice the cake with vanilla buttercream icing. White or chocolate cake can be used on this design. Next, dot the sides of the cake with your colored buttercreams in a random fashion. I'm using purple, brilliant pink, and brilliant blue colors. And now, lightly spritz the sides of the cake with water. This will help with the colors smearing smoothly. Use a scraper to create the smeared color effect. Be sure to use very light pressure while scraping. Avoid the temptation of scraping around the cake multiple times, as this will scrape the colors right off. Next, pipe 1.5 inch circles onto the top of the cake using a number 22 tip. There will be 6 circles in total, 2 brilliant blue, 2 brilliant pink, and 2 purple. Using a 1M tip, pipe white rosettes onto each circle. Using the unicorn fusion mix, sprinkle the rosettes. And finally, finish this cake by patting sprinkles along the base. And now our color smear cake is complete.